Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I've got two of the Galarian Legendary Birds tins, the smaller ones. It's not the full ones, I believe it's only 4 packs, so I decided to do 2, just to, so it's not just like, oh, quick 2-minute video, you know, because it'd be, yeah. So I'll do both the Galarian Zapdos and Galarian Moltres. Start with Zapdos. The only difference between the tins is the lid. The rest of the tins the same. But yeah, as you can see, Galarian Zapdos chasing away some Dodrio. Take that out. And then, yeah, 4 packs of Crown Zenith. Alright, put this up here. Alright, start with the first pack. See, I do seem to have better luck with the Crown Zenith packs over anything else. So hopefully that luck will continue. Helioptile, Scrope, Grubbin, Purloin, Salandit, Pikachu, Full Card Art Pikachu, Pikadash and Whimsy Tackle, okay. Away Lord, nobody cares about. Energy, Great Ball, Lost Vacuum, and Electric. First pack already doing good. What'd I tell you? Next pack. Oddish, Corphish, Pokeball, Wailmer, Pawniard, and Radiant Eternatus. Okay, that's a good one right there. Tauros, Energy, Pokemon Catcher, Graveler, and Bisharp. Alright, next up. Pawniard, Snorunt, Pancham, Shinx, Wooloo, and Solrock. Okay. Leopard, Energy, nobody cares about Energy. Matang, Trekking Shoes, and Solrock. Starly, Riolu, Aeron, Kricketot, Seal, Purloin, and Zacian V. There we go. What'd I say? Crowns on the packs are better luck. Dusclops, Rare Candy, and Salazzle. Alright, next up. The Moltres. Galarian Moltres. The only one of the 3 birds I'm not a big fan of the art. I don't know what they're going for with that, but there it is. Alright. Got 4 more packs. Sunkern, Bidoof, Salandit, Purloin, Grubbin, and Giratina V-Star. Look at that beautiful art. Oh my god. Enormous, Energy, Gloom, Ultra Ball, and Crushing Hammer. Come on. Corphish, Energy Search, Scyther, Riolu, Young Goose, and Roxanne. Full card art of Roxanne. What? Oh, two of them? Friends and Sin. Okay. Okay. That's cool. Ultra Ball, Girafarig, and Pinchurchin. I'm surprised I got two. Okay. Energy Search, Scyther, Riolu, Young Goose, Cherubi, Energy Switch, okay. Enormous or Namorous, Energy Matang, Digging Duo, and Graveler. Last pack. Larvesta, Oddish, Seal, Potion, Aeron, and Kricketune. Singing to the other Pokemon at night. Alright, that's cool. Pangoro, the V-Star card. Luxio, Lost Vacuum, and Electric. Okay. Now, quick rundown of everything. So, first and foremost, two guaranteed, the Galarian Moltres and Galarian Zapdos full card art. And then, as for the other ones, Pikachu, Energy Switch, Kricketune, Zacian V, Roxanne, Friends and Sinnoh, Giratina V-Star, Solrock, and Radiant Eternatus. For all the rares that I pulled. And then thanks for watching. Have a good one, and hope you have good luck on your pulls.